Adele is in the process of completely rebuilding and remodeling Sylvester Stallone's Beverly Hills mansion after she bought the property from him for a staggering $58 million in 2022. The 35-year-old is reportedly planning to eventually move into the lavish home with her rumored fiancé Rich Paul and her 11-year-old son, Angelo, who she shares with her ex-husband Simon Konecki. The Grammy winner has already completely torn down all of the original buildings and amenities that Sylvester and his family had been living in, except for one peculiar statement piece. Adele has left the Expendables star's huge outdoor pool intact along with the accompanying statue of Sylvester's iconic character Rocky. The metal statue overlooks the shallow end of the pool and posed in Rocky's memorable moment at the top of the steps of the Philadelphia Art Museum in the 1976 blockbuster hit. For all the latest on news, politics, sports, and showbiz from the USA, go to Daily Express US. Adele tearful during Las Vegas gig as she helps couple with sweet gender reveal in June. The 77-year-old revealed it had been Adele's decision alone to keep the statue, telling the Wall Street Journal that when he offered to take it with him when his family left the property, the singer threatened to back out of the purchase entirely. He declared, "She said, that's a no deal. That's gonna blow the whole deal." She wanted the statue. Sylvester gushed over the Hello singer's plans for the rebuild, saying she is making it gorgeous. The Rocky statue is the sole survivor of Adele's remodeling, with Sylvester's other statues and garden ornaments having been felled already. Most of the luxurious home has been torn down and is being remodeled from the bottom up, with new aerial photos from the Daily Mail showing the finishing touches being added to the first floor, and the guest house is, as of yet, seemingly untouched. Don't miss: Britney Spears' husband Sam Asghari hit back at claims he was controlling her. Insight: Robert De Niro enjoys star-studded bash with Leo, Paul McCartney and more. Pictures: Riverdale's Cole Sprouse got death threats over relationship to co-star. Interview: The home, in a guard-gated enclave of North Beverly Park, had been listed for almost a year, with the price falling from $110 million to $85 million before Adele reportedly made the offer of $58 million. Adele's new abode featured a total of 10 bedrooms spread across 3 buildings over 3.5 acres in the same star-studded neighborhood as Lisa Vanderpump and Sir Rod Stewart's old home. The main house hosted 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms and 2 maids' bedrooms, including a luxurious master suite, sauna, steam room, movie theater and office. A 2-story guest house on the property has the other 2 ensuite bedrooms and a full chef's kitchen and a jaw-dropping view of Rodeo Drive. The property also featured a home gym, fit for Rocky himself, as well as the infinity pool and putting green taking up the backyard alongside an 8-car garage and expansive patio.